Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to perform a fake skip on the Monkey app. To get started, you will need OBS Studio and a fake skip video. I will explain how to create that video at the end. First, right-click on this PC and disable all your webcams. For me, I just need to disable my one webcam. After that, minimize the window and open your browser to start the Monkey app. Once it's running, stop it and you can see your OBS camera working with Monkey app. Now minimize the browser and enable your webcam in Device Manager. After that, open OBS Studio. Then add your webcam to OBS Studio. My webcam appears black because it's covered. Then add your fake skip video as a media source and make sure to center it. When you open your browser, you will notice that it doesn't match the scene. So resize and center it until it looks right. Now you are ready to fake skip. While chatting with strangers, play the fake skip video and it will look like you have skipped them. At the end of the video, your webcam will automatically show. You have to do practice before doing this. Now let's create the fake skip video. In the Monkey app tab, right click and select Inspect. Then click on Select and choose the ad. Then delete it is HTML. Now you will see the clean stranger scam. Now turn on your screen recorder to capture the loading of the Monkey app. So you can use OBS Studio for this. Once you are done, import the screen recorder into video editing software like CapCut and crop out the loading part. That's it. If you have any question or run into issues, so feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.